Hey guys, welcome back in the last lecture of this project. Now after we created the delete function in previous lecture, now it's time to create the edit page for editing the user. So basically I wanted to actually edit the user on the same page, but since the information are just not, the user has different details, more details, so therefore we'll create a new page. So that will be edit.php, and we will also change the URL here to edit.php or edit_user.php. So we will first create a copy of this page, registration.php, because we have the similar code here, so it will not take much of our time. So first of all, just save as, and it will be edit_user.php, the same folder. Now the first thing is to understand is that first of all, on the top of the page here we'll say, if we set $_get ID, if ID is a dynamic variable which will be coming to this page from the another page, so we say then ID is clicked, then first of all let me go to users page again, view users, and just copy this whole code, this query, paste it here. So I said if ID is clicked, then just create a variable edit_ID, which will be equal to $_get, and from the ID we will get the exact ID that is there. Now after that, select all from register_users, where user_ID is equal to this ID, edit ID. That's it. Now after that, we don't need this while loop here because this is only one person, not more than one people, and we also don't need this variable, we don't need this variable. So now the rest of the things are fine. Now we can also say country is equal to row country, gender is equal to row, sorry, this is user country, user_gender, name, email, country, gender, phone number, user_number is there, I know, in the table, and address equal to row user address, and birthday we will make this disable, the birthday, and also we will disable the country because they can change the country, but the rest of the things they can change, for example address, image, things like that. Okay, so this data we have here, and we can now display that data over here, and this form now will be edit underscore user.php, and we'll change the details a little bit. Something like update the user, and in here remove the placeholder first of all then add the value attribute, which will be equal to, and we will echo the name of the person. Just copy this value, paste it here in the password, and say pass. Do we have the password or not? We don't have that, so we need to create that. That's it. Okay, pass. Remove this placeholder from here as well. This is the same thing we are doing, we have done already once, but now I am again doing this for you so that you can easily understand or repeat it again. And here we will just say you will use disable, and this will be equal to disable, means country is not selectable, but at the same time we'll show the country here, the country they have. For example, country is equal to row user underscore country. You can show this there, that which country they belong to, just here. Echo country. Nice. Let's just check this out. Click edit, and you can see Abdul Wali in Afghanistan, and the country is already there, but person cannot actually change this. It's nice, working nice so far. Now just again copy paste that value attribute. This will change to phone, and here in the text area we need to actually put that without the value. Just echo the address here, and in the next here we need to actually, the gender we don't need to select this because we have already done this, this one time is okay. We'll remove the gender, we don't need the gender thing, and we will just disable this birthday as well. So, and here we'll add an image tag, img source is equal to images, and here we will paste that. We'll echo that image name basically, and we'll get the image from the folder. So that's a simple and nice. Its width will be 50 pixel and height will also be 50 pixel. So we are actually showing the existing image, and they can also change this with a new one. We'll change this to update, and update now. That's it. Really nice, simple. Please refresh and see. So it's really good update now. We can remove this link from here because we don't need it here. It's just the updating form. So all we have done this, all things. I added a BR tag. Oh. So now the person can choose the image. So you can see the birthday is also disabled. This is not selectable, and the country also. So only they can change their name, password, email, phone number, and address, and image.